how to request Collaborator access on Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to sign in or log into our Shopify account. Once done, let's go to our settings here in our lower left hand corner. So click on that one. After clicking on settings, here we can see our options. So let's click on users and permissions. Now let's scroll down below, and here we can see collaborators. So these give designers, developers, and marketers access to your Shopify admin. They don't count toward your staff limit. Okay, now here we have two options actually. So anyone can send a collaborator request, or you could also have this one, the other option, wherein only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. If we hit on this one, you will have a request code basically. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed.